premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Australia. Now, Australian shares are expected to extend their gains this morning, taking their cue from a slightly stronger overnight finish on Wall Street. And that was after the Federal Reserve raised its target interest rate by 1/4 of a percentage point. The local share price index futures rose 0.3%. A 37.7-point discount to the underlying S&P ASX 200 index close. The benchmark rose 0.3% yesterday. Now looking to some business news today, and Janison Education Group reports profit improvement of 12% to $14 million compared to the first half of 2022. EBITDA growth of this is up 42% compared to the same corresponding period to $2.7 million. They reported record new client wins for the first half of 2023 with $3 million total contract value and proven ability to expand. Moving on, and SRG Global has been awarded 2 contracts with Northern Star valued at around $220 million. The first contract is a 5-year term contract. The scope of services include the provision of specialist drill and blast services, explosives management and grade control drilling at the Bronzewing gold operations in WA. The second contract is a 2-year extension with Northern Star to the initial 5-year contract, which started in April 2020. And the ASX have announced 2 new non-executive directors, continuing the board's commitment to refresh talent, skills and experience of its directors. Vicky Carter and Luke Randall would join as non-executive directors, with Ms Carter's appointment effective from the 2nd of February this year and Mr Randall's from April. These appointments follow those of non-executive directors Dave Curran and Heather Smith, both of whom were formally elected to the ASX board at the annual general meeting last September. With these changes, the ASX confirms today that Heather Ridout will retire. It's time for a break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, US shares did rise overnight, raising earlier losses, and that's after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell announced smaller rate rise as inflation cools. The S&P 500 gained 1%, the Nasdaq Composite added 2%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average remained unchanged. Across the Atlantic, European markets closed mixed. London's FTSE lost 0.1%. Frankfurt added 0.4%, while Paris closed 0.1% lower. Brent crude lost 2.6% to $83.25 a barrel, and gold prices lowered to $1,938. However, a softer US dollar limited the losses. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.